Je vais essayer de faire vite et court pour que ça soit une nouvelle étape dans la fin de mes missions. Ok. I'm trying for make in the short time the end of mission. My mission must be end for say the all true and all over confidential secret defense for making the solution of war, famine, food, and health, emergency, medical. Okay, for the capacity of living century or millennium, if you change the earth in biosynthetic, you can change the whole part in your body. If you need the medical print uh, 3D, you can making the organ another for the organ with stem cell. You can making in the same form or different form with the same function the different system for no go out or buzz the operation with the organ and making this organ on biosynthetic or organic, biologic. You can change the whole part in your body, and if you want sell the arm for having the new body on 20 years, you can. Yes, we can. But the answer of your question, what's the interest for living the eternity if the slave of work is the slave for money, is the slave in war. War, money, and work must be changed done on the world for making the new organization for making that. You need the negotiator for the president for the long time in the future. Don't see one president making the war of another country. You must block the borderline as the border now for the long future, for don't making the war, because the war making the instability in the market and the prosperity and abundance making on the prosperity. You can create the prosperity and abundance with the production, and you can produce with recycled and short circuit with farmer and market on all country. You can create and perform your culture in the whole place in your continent. The place of the culture for the whole espèce vegetal and mineral and animal. You have the summer place for making the million of milliard of people in this planet. You don't need the soldier of the new reason for making the new war. The war continue again 70 or 60 years continue ago. You must stop war and create the capital for refugee and making the stop weapon in this zone for protect the people, protect the abundance, and protect the culture. So Biden, I try for making my old and end mission for going the new organization on this world. I have created the Space Force for that. If you have the problem for asteroid, comet, or another traumatic in this world, you can make with satellite, making the water for making the out of CO2 in air, and you can filter with cloud and rain the toxic gas, and you can make after the recolonization of this world. But between the conquer the space, you must conquer the world with protect the world for making the new capital for the refugee. You can create with the farmer the nourriture for the animal, and you can create the joint all animal on another race for create the life. And when you create the life, you create the abundance, and everyone must be happy for eat and stud and work. The work is not the problem. The problem is the money. You don't have one article, a subject of money. You must find different form for can live. Choose the mode, the still mode of life. You don't can making the different mode or still of life. You don't make the control of this. It's on the nature instinct on all race. Sir, I'm very happy for making this new step. You can making the 3D print solid metal and atomic imprimant 3D with different form. With sonar you can, and laser you can go into the atom, and the vibration of atom make the spectrum or spectrum graph, and with that you can copy the subject and remake the copy, recreate, create the copy in another place on another printer. If you're making that, you can copy the whole material what you need. If you want to copy new body, you can copy new body. If you want to create the new body with the new power, you can create the new body with new power. You don't have the limit, because if you think, you feel. If you feel, you will be, and you can will be what you want. You are the little part, infinity part of the creation, and you can take this little infinite part for will be the whole creation on the universe. You are the part of God, and the God is on part on you, and God making the human at this face and character. You are everyone. We are the part of creation. You can make the power or this power on the universe if you join everyone for going in the one direction. If you are one president going and want the new reason for new war, you exterminate the civilization, and the living of this world is no capacity. For the long time with atomic and the fusion bomb, you don't have the international a war because you have atomic bomb, and for this reason, if you making the begin this war, is the end of civilization. The problem is not your weapon, the problem is your law of for making the peace. If you create the capital for refugee, every president maybe accept the peace for 30 or 50 or 70 or 80 years. Maybe the peace will begin living in the future pros now.